Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update IoT device privacy settings on Philips Hue step by step clearly. Open the Philips Hue app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Philips Hue bridge. On the home screen, tap on the settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Select lights from the list of options. Choose the light or device for which you want to update the privacy settings. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner for device settings. Scroll down to find the privacy section. Here, you will see various privacy settings related to data sharing and usage. Review each setting carefully to understand what is being shared. Toggle the switches to enable or disable data sharing as per your preference. After making your changes, tap the back arrow to return to the device settings. To ensure the settings are saved, navigate back to the main menu. If you have multiple devices, repeat the process for each one individually. Once you have adjusted all desired settings, exit the app. For added security, consider updating your Philips Hue bridge firmware. To do this, go back to the Settings menu and select Software Update. Check for any available updates and follow the prompts to install them. This will help maintain the privacy and security of your IoT devices. Congratulations, you have successfully updated the privacy settings for your Philips Hue devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.